here with the greatest method of preparing students for academic success.
Are you looking for a quick and easy way to get started with your JAMB exam? And start with ease and quick learning on your smart device? If so, you must get Sam Easy tutorial. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to get started with your 2023 JAMB exam and start your university process with ease learning on your device, then you should check out Sam Easy. In 30 days, I will take a lot of students on the journey to their success with the latest and great JAMB tutorial. This is an ultimate tutorial that will be between 1st of March and 30th of March. This tutorial is totally free and it will show you how to study basic topic with profound understanding without stress. It will also help you become a professional in your educational system using the Sam Easy tutorial weekly release as a guide. As over the days, we have been working on a stunning website to bring a functionalities that will make your learning easier. His tutorial is a great way to learn how you can get started with your 2023 JAMB exam from the comfort of your home and with your. Our website is a simple to use and comes with a lot of great features. The tutorial will show you how to properly use your past question, how students decide on the best university using the Sam Easy Tutor software recommendation. Sam Easy Tutor is a perfect solution for busy students who needs help with their studies. With Sam Easy Tutor, you can get help with your assignment papers, your exams, your study guide without having to leave your home. Sam Easy Tutor is available 24/7, so you can get help when you need it. This is an online tutorial that you get to attend without stress. Even without living on your bed, you can attend it. The only thing you need is your device and a good data connection. I mean Wi-Fi. What are you still waiting for? Click the link below to get started for free.